Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday. I was trying to burn some resistors, have a calm day, but it's not going as I thought. I'm using my DC power supply, which can give me maximum of 30 volts and 6 amperes, but it's clearly not enough to burn the hell out of this resistor. It's only making them smoke, which is not satisfying me. So what I'm gonna do is use my boost converter to melt this resistor. This is how my boost converter looks like, which I bought from a Chinese online website. Let's go to the circuit. So, what is a boost converter? A boost converter is a DC to DC power wizard, which takes a little voltage and pumps it up like a bodybuilder on Chinese steroids. It is perfect when your battery is too weak to satisfy. Kinda like a German car with a tiny engine. Great design, 0 horsepower. Here we have the weak battery. It goes to the inductor. This coil hoards energy like a Jewish banker stereotype. It's just turning up that magnetic juice. Switch, normally a MOSFET, flipping on and off faster than the Italian driver signaling a lane change. Blink once, then chaos. The diode, the bouncer of the circuit, letting current through one way like a strict Asian mom. No backflow, you dishonor me. The capacitor, the smooth talking Mexican bartender, leveling out the voltage so it doesn't spike harder than shots of tequila on Cinco de Mayo. Load, our victims, resistors and LEDs. They're about to get more voltage than a British electrician wired on tea and regret. So let me start again. We close the switch. We have here our battery, let's say. A magnetic field builds up in this coil, like you see here. Magnetic field. Let me show you this. We have 0 volts outside. If I open the switch, we have. Let me slow it down so you can see it. Let's store the energy. Now this coil is storing the energy. Let's open the circuit, and we have like 500 volts, one peak outside. Now imagine doing this, opening and closing very fast. We have like 20 volts peak. So what you can do is put a PWM here, a MOSFET, turning on and off very quick. Let me show you the real circuit. You go over here, you go to power converters, then boost converter. See, we have a PWM, 1 kilohertz, 5 volts, and you see outside is almost like 15 volts. That's what you want to have. Let's do this. Almost like 15 volts. From 5 volts you get 15 volts. That is the basic dynamic of the circuit. So I have connected the boost converter to my DC power supply and to the multimeter. I want to see if I can read any voltage on the output. Okay, 5 volts. I have 5 volts. Let's see, how much do you have outside? You have 76 volts outside. This is too much. I wanna now, where my multimeter is connected, I want to connect a resistor. So I have connected the resistor over here at the output. Now let's see if we can melt it down. Let's see if anything can happen. Let's go. Okay. I don't see anything. Okay, something is smoking. It's smoking. Oh. 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 Oh, I get it now. If I change the voltage input to like 5 or 6 volts, It lets more current go through. We also have two potentiometers over here, one left, one right. This one is for the current, I think, and this one is for the voltage, I think. Like if you change them, you get more voltage or more current at the output. So now I have a 800k resistor at the output, and let's see if it's gonna do any different. Okay, 500 milliampere is going through at 6 volts. I think this resistor is just too big. Let's see what happens to the LED. Nothing. I also have this guy over here which has a display where we can see which voltage and the current we have at the output. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, 5 volts. Okay. It can take up to 5 to 30 volt input, and the output is like 4 amperes to 20 volt, I think. And we can change that by turning this guy around. Okay, this is for the voltage. Now we can see that. Changing the voltage. Yes. Nice. Let's go to the maximum. You know what? I'm just gonna change this resistor. Okay, now we have a like 27 ohm resistor. The previous one was 500, I think, or 800k. Okay. Yes. That is what we wanted. So I think the problem was, yeah, the other resistor was just too high. If you wanna buy one, if you wanna buy a boost converter, I'd recommend this one. It looks better, like you can see which output voltage, which output current you have, and it costs like $2 more. Like the other one costs $3, this one like $5 from Temu. What does this do? Okay, no output. What is this? You can see which input voltage you have over here. Okay, very good, very well designed for $5. I actually like this one. I like it a lot. So I don't think this LED is going to explode. But this was for the video. If you have any recommendation, if you have anything you want to say, or you want me to review another product, write it down in the comment below. And see you till next time. Bye bye.